Hello everyone, this is Parker Vance of the Global Investment Society. Today we're going to take a quick look at the overall markets as well as Facebook, Amazon, Netflix, and crude oil WTI. So what you're looking at right now is the S&P 500 index. Just like the last video, we are using a Fibonacci retracement tool in the background to determine areas of potential support and resistance. So in the last couple of days, we are back into some heavy selling. However, as you can see, we've gotten some support right around the 1840 level. And going back to November 2014, we have seen support here as well as in early January of this year. So in the next couple of days, I expect to see some more volatility in this range here. Next, we have the Dow Jones Industrial Average. Similar story here on the Dow. Looks like we have been testing the level of 16,086, and that is now an area of resistance. As you can see today, we were unable to get back above that support level. So in the short term, I expect continued momentum to the downside to test this next level of 1550 before we potentially move upward on a bounce. Next we have the Nasdaq, and as you can see, there was a big gap down here on Monday the 8th. Nice gap there. Bears have definitely been in control here. Got some support at this line here and closed yesterday around 4,270 or so. And today it looks like we tried to move higher but hit some resistance around 43.50 and ended up closing below 4,300. In the short term, I expect to test this level again here at 42.40 before we can see any kind of maybe possible momentum to the upside. Crude oil has been getting destroyed the last couple of days after it hit resistance at this level of 32.60. You can see it's been hitting resistance on the upside almost every day since. It got support around 27 before it closed at 27.63 today. We should be getting near to bottom in oil, but as you can see based on the price action, there's no bottom in sight. We want to see some strong buying here around 27 before it can move to the upside. Facebook was a huge earnings winner early last week and proceeded to gain somewhere near 25% before reaching an all-time high around 117.50 or so, and then immediately profit taking began and has sold off back to the 100 level. It received support today at the 100.50 level. If it continues to hold that support level, that is a sign of a bullish action. If it breaks this support level, it will go down and retest this level at 95. Next we have AMZN, who has also been facing some heavy selling in the past week or so. They had a bad earnings report somewhere in here, I want to say. Early last week or the week before. Now they're finding some support right around the 490 level, and if they can hold that level, expect to see some consolidation in this area. Otherwise, look for them to retest the lows from 2015 August during that flash sell-off in August, right around the 450 level. Finally, we have Netflix, who also has been facing a lot of selling pressure in the last week and week to 2 weeks. I think in my last video I called short somewhere around here at 96 because they were unable to hold this level of 96 or 95.83 or so, and so that would have been a good short for about a week or so before they found some support around round number 80. It is now back above this support level of 86, although it pushed as high as 90 earlier today before selling back down in 88.45. So as you can see, the market's still off to a choppy start in 2016. Not a whole lot of buying opportunities to be found. I would continue just to watch the price action and let that determine when to get more active in the buying. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time.